what I got here is a fully custom 2011 Verde Theory. It's got integrated seat post with a premium seat on it. Integrated kink headset. I don't know where the kink is, it's under there somewhere. The stolen convict stem. And my favorite part of it is animal high roam bars. With some animal Evan grips on there. I got salt forks. See the salt symbol. Stolen revolver front wheel. Right there. Got, I think it's an animal peg in the front. I'm not sure. The back is a Primo binary light peg. And right here, got fit FAF tires, front and back with tan walls. And my back rim is fully custom, Salt Pro cassette, 9-tooth, fully sealed, laced to an alienation plain black rim, and Eastern Medusa chain wheel, which I don't like because Eastern's gay. Then I got just a KMC chain, Verde Pendleton cranks, some Odyssey twisted pedals, pretty nice. Kink bottom bracket, and I think that sums it all up. Nice bike. It weighs like 22 pounds or something like that.